1, 2, 3, come on!
Hi. Now I teach you divisibility rules. That means divisible rules. So first of all, 1. The 1 is a common factor of every number. So these all numbers are both even or odd numbers. Both are divisible by 1. So 1 is the common factor of all natural numbers. Next, divisibility by 2. So what is the rule of divisibility by 2? Means, first of all, the units digits are ones place. That means ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So the units are ones place G is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, that all numbers are divisible by 2. Simply even numbers. Example 24. The ones place is 4. So ones place means 4. It is an even number. It is divisible by 2. Example 30. It is also divisible. Okay, it is also even number. Next 3. What is it? The sum of digits. The sum of digits in a number. The sum of digits in a number. Example, the sum of digits in a number is divisible by 3. Suppose, example, 72. That means 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 is the common factor of that is 3. 3 tables they have 9. So 72 is also divisible by 3. Next, 1, 4. That means 1 plus 4, 5, 4. That means 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 9. It is also divisible by 3. Suppose 15. It is an odd number. But 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. It is also 3. So the sum of digits in a number, the sum of digits in a number is divisible by 3. The total number also divisible by 3. Next, let us discuss about other numbers. Next, 4. What is it for? The last two digits. The last two digits is divisible by 4. The total number also divisible by 4. The last two digits is divisible by 4. The total number is divisible by 4. Example, 624. The last two digits is 24. 24 means 4 6 are 24. So the 624 also divisible by 4. Other method is there. What is it means? The last two digits is divisible by 4 or last two zeros. The last two zeros. Example 500. The last two digits is 0. So it is also divisible by 4. Next, 5. Simply, the units place or ones place is 0 or 5. The units place or one place is 0 or 5. The total number is also divisible by 5. Example, 100. What is the units place? 0. It is also divisible by 100. That is simply 5 into 20. Suppose 125. 125 means 5 into 25. This is simply also divisible. That means units is also 0. So the units place or ones place is 0 or 5. The total number also divisible by 5. Next, 6. What is divisible by 6? They almost know. By a 2 and by a 3. What is divisible by 2? Units place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there. That is divisible by 2. Simply, what is divisible by 3? The sum of digits is simply the both 2 and 3. Both 2 and 3 is divisible by anything that is divisible by 6. Example 72. The units place is 2, so it is divisible by 2. That 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9. This is divisible by 3. So both 2 and 3 divisible. The total number also divisible by 6. So simply, what is that? 2 and 3. Because what is the 6? 2 into 3. So both 2 and 3 divisible. The total number is also divisible by 6. If you not divisible by 2, that divisible by 3 is not as divisible by 6. Both divisible, it is divisible by 6. So both divisible by 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. Next, the most tough. What is that? 7. The most digit is 7. What is it 7? Listen. Suppose 3, 4, 3. Example 3, 4, 3. There are two methods. First, method 1. I will teach you method 1. What is it method 1 means? First, step 1. The last digit multiply with 2. The last is multiplied with 2. Step 2. It subtracted remaining number. Step 3. The result is divisible by 7. The total number also divisible by 7. Can we check it? First of all, 343. The last number is 3. That first what is the step? Multiply 343. The last digit is 3. 3 into 2. What is that? 6. 34 minus 6. The power distance 8, 2. The 28 is the factors of 4 into 7. So what is that? 7 is divisible by 28. The 343 also divisible by 7. Check it. 3, 4, 3. That means 7 4s are 28. 6, 3. 7 9s are 63. This is the method 1. What is that? The last digit is multiplied with 2. The last digit is multiplied with 2. What is it answer? It subtracted remaining number. It subtracted remaining 34. Subtracted 34 minus 6. That is equal to 28. So 28 is the 4 into 7. So 7 is the divisible by 28. The total number 343 also divisible by 7. Next, I will teach you second method. Same. 3, 4, 3. First of all, you take any number 3, 4, 3. Put that A, B, C. Put that A, B, C. What is that? 3, 4, 3. Any number, longest number, and 4 number, any number. 3, 4, 3. So, first of all, the formula is 2A plus 3B plus C. What is the formula? Is it 7 divisible by 7? The formula is 2A plus 3B plus. What is the meaning of A? What we take of the numbers? Suppose 2 into 3, 3 into 4 plus C, what is the value? That means here value, put that A value. A equal to 3, B equal to 4, C equal to 3. 2 3s are 6, 4 3s are 12, then add it. What is the answer? 6 plus 12, that means 18, 18 plus 3, 21. 21, what is the divisible covenant? 21. 21 is the 3 into 7. So, what is that? Is it divisible by 21? The total number 343 also divisible by 21. Once again I will tell you, if you take any number, the last 3 digits A, B, C, what is that A, B, C? A equal to 3, B equal to 4, C equal to 3. What is the formula? 2A plus 3B plus C. 2A, 2 3s are 6, 3B, 3 4s are 12 plus 3. That means 6 plus 12, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. The total number is also divisible by 7. So simply that 8. What is divisible by 8? Same. The last 3 digits. The last 3 digits. The last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Example 7, 8. That means 7, 8, 8, 2, 4. The last 3 digits is 824. The 824 is divisible by 8. The total number also divisible by 8. What is that? Any number, the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. The total number also divisible by 8. Another, the last 3 digits is 0. That means 7000. That means 7000. The last 3 zeros is there in any number, that is also divisible by 8. The last 3 zeros. 2 zeros is divisible by 4. The 3 digits is divisible by 8. Simply 2 zeros is divisible by 4. Simply 3 digits is divisible by 8. Okay. Now next go another one. Next, by 9. The most different term 9. Simply the sum of digits is divisible by 9. Example, what is that? 81. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So 9 is the factor of 9, so it is divisible by 81. Take another number. 144. 144. 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 9. It is also divisible by 9. Even or odd, any number that sum of the digits, the given number, the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. The total number also divisible by 9. So simply, next, 10. 10 you don't know, you always know. What is that? The units or ones. Ones place is 0. Usually the units place or ones place is always 0. The total number is divisible by 8. Example 10, 70, 100. Any number. The last units place is 0. That is also divisible by 10. Remaining 11. I will teach you 11 for more. That 11. The 11 means simply, suppose this is what we say that the sum of even places, that means the sum of even places, the sum of odd places, the difference, Suppose the sum of even places and the sum of odd places digits is difference that is divisible by, what is that? 11. Can we check? Example 121. 121. Odd, that means 1, 2, 3. What is the odd places? 1, 3. That means 1 plus 1 minus, what is the even digits? 2. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 is equal to, what is that? 0. The total number is divisible by 11. Suppose when we take all other number, suppose 1, 4, 3, 0. Put that 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the even digits? Even places 2, that means 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 minus 1 plus 3. That means 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. The total number also divisible by 11. Any number, the sum of even places as differences of the sum of odd places, the difference is divisible 0 or any number is divisible by 11, the total number also divisible by 11. Okay, simply the sum of even places digits, the sum of odd digit places, difference means subtract any number that is divisible by 11. So next we will teach you other numbers. So once again, if you want to stay that divisibility rules, it is not for 6th class and 7th class. All competitive examples is divisible. So next 12. So simply, what is the 12? 3 into 4. So both 3 and 4 is divisible any number. The number is divisible by 12. Example 3 table number. That means 3 and 4. Take the one number 64. 6 and simply example, take one more number 72. 72 means 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. It is divisible by 3. That 72, the last digit is 72. 70 is divisible by 4. No, 4 ones are 4. That means simply 72. That what is that? Divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4. That means remaining 3, 3, 2, 4. That means 18. So simply it is also divisible by 4. Both 4 and 3 divisible. That divisible by also 12. So simply 12 is the factors of 3 and 4. So therefore 72 is 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. It is divisible by 3. 72 is divisible by 4. The total number 3 and 4 is divisible by, that number is divisible by 12. That means 72. What is the 72? 12 6. So how easy? So both any number is divisible by 12. That is both 4 and divisible. Okay. Next I will teach you another number. What is that? 15. Simply same. Similarly 15. 15 is divisible by 3 into 5. 16. 16 divisible by 8 into 2. Next 18. 2 into 9. 20. 10 into 2. So any number that factors is divisible both, the total number also divisible by 4. So if you want to more divisible rules, practice more. Any number is must and should be divisible. That divisibility rules you know is easy to for competitive exams and more that of your life process of. So please to learn the divisibility rules is in your home. Practice it. It make you feel. So if you like this video, please share and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.